Swab is everywhere. We are doing an unboxing today. I just got tonight my FabFitFun box. This is the first box from them that I've actually gotten. Stick around and let's see what's in my box.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges.
Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back. Let's see if this box was worth the money. And before we get into today's video, don't forget to do all the deeds down there where you like the video if you enjoy it, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to get all of my post notifications. I am only going to consider it worth the money if it's an item that I like. So if there's a $50 item in here, but I don't want it or I don't like it, then I'm not gonna count that as part of contributing to it being worth the cost. So with what I paid for it, it comes to about $45 per box. I know there was one item in here that I'm really excited about that I picked because I did a select subscription or something. I have the choice to customize my box and I get an email ahead of time before they put the boxes together and I get to pick a few of the items. I only remember one or maybe two things that I picked because it was a while ago. So, got my handy scissors. I've got Sleeping Monkey right here. She's all tuckered out. She's trying to invade in my space, per usual. Oh, my baby. This is Shiloh with me, by the way. She's a Great Dane. She's 2 years old. So we'll have a little tally going on here. I'm not really interested in these, but they did send a magazine. So I found just 2 pages in, it has sort of the value. So I'm gonna keep that over here on the side as a little reference so we can quickly tally up. Here it is. Let's dive in. Ooh, oh, I forgot. Oh, yes. Yes, I forgot about some of this. First thing, mystery item, $20. Ah, there it is. It's the mystery item. So this will be a backup. Well, I like that. So Way is a brand that I really like. Love the Way brand. So this is a leave-in conditioner. I haven't used, it looks milky. So we'll see how this works. Now the tough thing is that with milky leave-in conditioners that come in a spray, they often will clog up and the pump doesn't work so well. I don't know, you know, we'll see. But I like that. I use a leave-in conditioner every single day and Way is a brand that I like. We have $26 for this item. So we're already at $46. Next, we have an item. Oh, it's a jump rope. Isn't this like Venus? Yeah, Williams. Yeah, obviously she's on the cover of the magazine. Yeah. So we have a jump rope. Love me some fitness, you know, love me makeup and fitness. If you see any of my videos, this should come as no surprise. Better than the one I already have. The one I already have is just, it's pretty janky. I got a cheap one and I got a cheap one on purpose because I didn't need anything special. So these are adjustable. Oh yeah, I see. So what you do is you would shove the long end in and then you would loop it through just like any other kind of strap. So got a jump rope. I like that. Okay, the jump rope is $15. Okay, random thing. No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. So it's an eye depuffing gel. I really like Dr. Brandt. I've used several of their products, like exfoliators and, oh, the Needles No More products. So, which this is from that line, the Needles No More. I don't have a depuffer at the moment. This will be a really good thing to add. And I do know that this is like, has a little bit of color correction to it. So this is a really good one to use in the morning. So this is the directions after your eye moisturizer. So I would still use both. Warm a tiny amount between your fingers and tiny, they really do mean tiny amount. This is not a more is more sort of product. You really do want to control the amount that you use with this type of a thing. Pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. So that'll also be good to see. I haven't used this specific product before, so it'll be really interesting to see how it performs underneath eye concealer. All right, let's tally it up. This is a $42 product. And if you didn't notice, these are all full size. All right, ooh, I'm excited to try this. We have the Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. All right, she's pretty. I will definitely be playing with that. And this claims to be really good for baking your concealer with and setting makeup. Oh, how much is that? The Ciate powder is $22. So obviously we're already well past the cost of the box. I mean, the amount of product that we've gotten is crazy. And this thing is huge. Holy smokes. Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Is this a body? It must be a body scrub. Yeah. So there you go. So I'm almost out of my current look. Almost out of my current look. I should know better, you know, I'm up at 5,200 feet elevation. I just wanted to smell it and look at it, not get blasted in the eye. It smells really good. I don't know why. Okay, I'm not gonna open the rest of it. Oh, that smells really good. I'm gonna like that. Body scrubs are really great to have in between self tans. That way you can really exfoliate the body. Okay, and this is a $24 scrub. I like that. Oh, now this is an item that I knew I was getting, and I've been so looking forward to getting this. Oh, baby. She's so sleepy. She's all like cuddled up like fetal position. She's so cute. All right, so I got, and I'm sorry, I don't actually know how to say this, but it's from the Desi collection. That scrub is everywhere. I got the Way Australia sunglasses. It's the Vivian style in black smoke. Oh, that's what it's supposed to be because I chose the aviators. Oh yeah. Y'all, these are $60 glasses. I wear like Amazon glasses right now, the Amazon aviators, because I still haven't replaced the lenses on my Ray-Bans. Yeah, I need to buy those lenses. Oh yeah, these are nice. Oh, I love sunglasses. I cannot stand being outdoors with no sunglasses. Oh, what do we think? I mean, these are just a nice dark. These are nice. They are super sturdy metal frame. It's kind of like a matte black arm. These are super nice. Okay, so we're gonna add $60. Okay, and then we are down to the last item. I can't believe I've liked every single item. Wow, this came in a really nice like linen little tote cover. This is the Deluxe Demi backpack. It just has a little slip-on button latch on the front. This is cute. Got like a pleather flap on the front. We have, oh, they are adjustable straps. Okay, this is not the best quality. It's supposed to be a $75 item. I said I liked it at first, but upon inspection, I want to show you something. Okay, these are really long straps. If I want to lengthen the strap, then you have like the excess just going down here, and it's like hanging down below. It does have adjustable sides. I don't know how you would call it, but it snaps right here, so you can make it more narrow at the top. That's a nice little touch. I'm really into backpacks right now. I actually got one on Just Fab a little while ago. This is okay. I like the color blocking of it. I like the size of it. The straps they feel cheap. And I mean, they're not gonna last. I can't believe I even stuck this thing in this because like my Ted Baker purse, you know, it came with one of these, or actually, I think it's even nicer. Y'all, I'm gonna leave it out of the price because I just think it's just meh. It's really the straps that get me. They just aren't great. Yeah. Straps are not terrific. I mean, I love this color blocking, but these are just so thin. My Just Fab one that was like $20 is so much better. I'm not going to include that in the total value or in the value of items I like. So the total will be here. And remember, the cost, my cost, because I had the discount of paying for all 4 boxes, was actually about $45 a box. And clearly we already went way past that with the things that I like. You guys, that was a lot of stuff. All full size. I mean, that is a lot. That is a huge savings. That is what came in my FabFitFun box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget, do all the deeds down there. Like, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell so you get all the notifications for when I upload. Thanks so much, and I'll see you later.
Bridges between us.